If I asked you to name the most dangerous animal in the United States, ranked by the real risk it poses to people, what would you say? A shark? A grizzly bear? Maybe an alligator? Every one of those answers is wrong, and by the end of this countdown, you'll understand exactly why. In fact, some of the most dangerous animals in America are the ones millions of us walk past every single day. The black widow has one of the scariest reputations of any spider in America, found throughout much of the country, especially in garages, sheds, wood piles, and dark corners. It's one of the few spiders almost everyone can recognize on sight. That red hourglass has been a warning sign in horror movies and nature documentaries for decades, but here's what most people don't know. Despite thousands of reported bites every year, no confirmed American fatality has been linked to a black widow bite since 1983. Modern treatment made serious outcomes from black widow bites extraordinarily rare. The venom hasn't changed, but our ability to survive it has, which makes the next entry even more surprising. Mountain lions, also known as cougars or pumas, are the largest wild cats across much of the American West. Most people who have ever seen one in the wild didn't know it was there until after it was already gone. That's how good they are at staying invisible. They're also astonishingly athletic. A mountain lion can leap nearly 40 feet in a single bound, farther than most cars are long. And yet, fewer than 30 fatal mountain lion encounters have been documented in North America since 1890. Not per year, that's total across an entire continent over more than a century. Mountain lions generally avoid people entirely. They're not hunting you, they're avoiding you. But danger doesn't always come with teeth. Ever since Jaws, sharks have become the animal almost everyone thinks of first when they hear the words deadly predator. News coverage of rare attacks only reinforces that image, making them seem far more common than they really are. Out of more than 500 shark species, only a handful have ever been linked to attacks on people. So how many people do sharks actually harm fatally in the United States each year? About one fatal shark encounter per year across the entire country. If sharks barely register, what about something with actual claws and 300 pounds of muscle? Black bears are massive, powerful, and living across most of North America. Despite the name, they aren't always black. They can also be brown, cinnamon, or even blonde. With nearly 800,000 of them roaming the continent, you'd think dangerous encounters would be common. They're not. Black bears survive by avoiding unnecessary fights. If one spots a person in the distance, it will usually quietly disappear into the trees long before you ever know it was there. That's one reason serious incidents are so incredibly rare. The odds of being injured by a bear in a U.S. national park are roughly 1 in 2.1 million. The encounters most likely to turn dangerous are the ones involving cubs or a bear surprised at close range. And believe it or not, the animal responsible for the most harm on this list isn't even a predator. That's where this countdown takes an unexpected turn. The American alligator looks like something that should have gone extinct with the dinosaurs. Armored, ancient, and capable of a bite force that can crush bone, it's survived for years with very little change. But serious alligator encounters in the US remain extremely rare despite more than 1 million alligators living across the southeast. Most alligators avoid people entirely and only react defensively when they feel cornered or provoked. But danger doesn't always come with teeth. Sometimes it doesn't come from an attack at all. This is the only entry on the list where the danger doesn't come from an attack. It comes from a collision. Deer are one of the most common large mammals Americans actually encounter, and they seem completely harmless. Most people have never even thought to fear them. So why are deer involved in so many serious incidents if they never attack anyone? Every year, wildlife vehicle collisions are linked to over 440 fatalities in the US. Most of those crashes involve deer, usually darting into the road at dusk or dawn with almost no warning. If one deer crosses the road ahead of you, slow down. They're herd animals and another is often right behind it. Next up is an animal that will actually bite you. Thousands of people every single year. Rattlesnakes are one of the most recognizable dangers in the American outdoors. That famous rattle isn't designed to scare people, it's actually a warning meant to avoid a fight rather than start one. Between 7,000 and 8,000 people are bitten by venomous snakes in the US every year, but only 5 to 6 of those bites result in a fatality. Modern anti-venom is the entire reason this entry isn't much higher on the list. A century ago, this ranking would have looked very different, and we're only halfway through. Starting now, every animal on this list is one you've probably been near this week. Some ticks are no larger than the head of a pin before they feed, which is exactly what makes them so easy to miss. You can walk through tall grass and never realize when it attached itself to you. Unlike a snake or bear, you may never even know you've been bitten. That's what makes a tick genuinely dangerous. One bite can spread Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, ehrlichiosis, or even leave you allergic to red meat for life. Checking yourself after hiking is one of the simplest ways to catch one before it becomes a problem. The next one isn't hiding in tall grass at all, it's in your living room. Dogs are America's most beloved pet. Most families have one. Most people never think of their own dog or any dog as a serious risk, so why do dogs rank this high on a list about danger? Because there are tens of millions of dogs in the United States. Even a tiny fraction of dangerous interactions adds up fast. 885,000 Americans need medical attention every year after a dog bite, and roughly 70 people die. This isn't about one breed or one type of dog, it's about sheer numbers. Millions of dogs, millions of daily interactions, and enough of them going wrong to make this one of the most consequential animals in the country. But dogs aren't even the most dangerous animal you live near. Cattle are everywhere in rural America. People grow up around them, work around them, and rarely think twice about standing near one. That's exactly why they're dangerous. Unlike predators, cattle don't need to chase you. One startled animal weighing more than 1,000 pounds is all it takes. Cattle account for many of the serious farm animal incidents in the US, and the broader category of large farm mammals ranks among the leading causes of animal-related fatalities. You don't need teeth or claws to be dangerous. You just need to weigh over 1,000 pounds and be unpredictable, standing in a field most people assume is completely safe. The biggest surprises are still ahead, though. That brings us to the final two, the two animals almost nobody expects to see here. Bison are the largest land mammals in North America. Unlike cattle, they're completely wild animals, and a mature bull can weigh close to a ton, built like a wall of muscle and fur. Despite that size, this 2,000-pound animal can outrun the fastest human who's ever lived, reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour. Bison have injured more Yellowstone visitors than any other animal in the park since 1980. People walk right up to them for a photo, assuming something that big must be calm. Tourists have been tossed, gored, and hospitalized for exactly that assumption. Yellowstone officially recommends staying at least 25 yards away from bison at all times, even when they look completely relaxed. The biggest animal on this list is gone. Now comes the smallest. After sharks, after bears, after alligators, after America's largest land mammal, the animal responsible for more animal-related fatalities than anything else on this list weighs less than a paperclip. Every summer, millions of Americans walk past bees without giving them a second thought. We mow lawns, plant flowers, eat outside, go to baseball games, and almost nobody thinks that this tiny insect belongs at the top of a list like this. Bees, wasps, and hornets don't hunt, they don't chase, most of them just want to be left alone, doing exactly what they've always done, pollinating plants and building nests. Bees sting to defend their hive, and most only sting once before they die. But wasps are different. They can sting multiple times, and some species become more aggressive later in the year as their colonies grow and food gets scarce. Hornets are the largest of the three, and their stings can be especially painful because they inject a relatively large amount of venom. And according to recent US data, this tiny group is linked to more animal-related fatalities than any other entry we've covered. Here's why the numbers surprise people so much. For most people, a sting is painful but temporary, uncomfortable for an hour, then forgotten. But for someone with a severe allergy, that same sting can trigger anaphylaxis. That's a life-threatening reaction where blood pressure can drop and the airway can swell shut within minutes. That's the real danger, not the sting itself, but how a small number of bodies react to it. If you know you're severely allergic, carrying an epinephrine auto-injector can be life-saving, but it should never replace emergency medical care after a serious reaction. Every animal on this list had a reputation, a predator's face, a story that made sense, but this one doesn't. So sometimes the most dangerous animals aren't the ones that look the scariest, they're the ones we stop noticing altogether. If you enjoy videos about extreme science, wildlife, and the incredible ways our world works, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Extreme Weather Zone, out.